Recently, a GoFundMe has been created in honor of a Lumberton native, Melissa Kamin, who was also killed in the flood. Melissa's body was recovered Wednesday. Her husband, Rob, was also killed. The couple lived in Atascocita, and Melissa worked at a nursing home there in Humble. Our sister station in Houston spoke to some of her co-workers and friends that remember Melissa for her faith, laughter, and her kindness.
Last week, my last words were to her on the text message. It said, "Get some rest, woman of God."
Now, we're told the couple was camping in their RV for the holiday weekend. The GoFundMe was created by another friend of Melissa's that hopes it will help honor her memory and help care for her two children she now leaves behind and loves so deeply. To find out how you can help, go to 12newsnow.com.